I was so stressed out.
You're stressed out from working too hard.
I am warning you, I'm seriously stressed out here.
He's so stressed out lately.
What helps with stress is going to a party.
Why do you let it get you so stressed out? It's just football.
I was just,
Stressed out?
yes, let's call it stressed out.
What was that about?
He has a nervous bladder when he's stressed out.
You're just stressed out about the children.
No, it's his house. I feel it.
You're so stressed out. Do you want some pot or something?
Yeah! No!
I was averaging 20 rejections a day.
She's pretty stressed out.
You know, when I'm stressed out, my mom tells me jokes.
Boov do not do telling jokes.
I get really stressed out, and I calm myself down by going off and playing on my picardo.
I overreacted. I talked to Emily and ungrounded her. I'm just so stressed out about this test.
Look, he was just stressed out. His life is not better without you. Come on, come say hi.
Okay.
If you can't give me one, I'm thinking we're finished.
Look, I'm just stressed out.
You and Bart just got back. Why are you packing again?
Well, I was just gonna go for a little spa trip for the weekend.
Because you're so stressed out from your vacation?
Well, I understand that you've been kind of stressed out lately.
Stressed out? I don't think I'm...
Walt, please. Stressed out is putting it mildly.